Hey, let me show you the new webinar platform coming out into the market tomorrow, the 16th of January 2020. And this is Meetvio webinar platform, allowing you to live stream auto webinar and doing meeting with up to 5 presenters, free in one functionalities, probably a big uh, a big concurrence to the established platform like Webinar Jam, GoToWebinar, even Zoom, and many other platforms that are selling for at least $100 per month. Now, Meetvio is launching, and during the launch week, you will have been able to get the exclusive lifetime deal. This is something totally unbelievable. Lifetime access to this awesome platform for just very low one-time price. And why they are doing this thing? Well, because this is a new platform and they want the first batch of their customers to came and start using and learning and giving feedback, improving the bugs, adding new features. And for all of these things, the founders, which I know very well and which are especially Neil Napier, very well known figure, the owner of Kaivio and Mailvio platform, which are two totally awesome landing page builders and autoresponder automation platform. So this will be the platform of 2020, but because it's new and because it is just launching tomorrow, nobody yet have access. Only few selected affiliates, and I'm one of them. Only we can have the possibility to show you exactly how Meetvio works. And from tomorrow, you will have only a few days to be able to get this lifetime deal. Now I'm sharing my screen and showing you the Meetvio, what exactly this platform look like. So Meetvio allows you to create recordings, to get meeting and get live and auto webinar. And now I'm going to show you how you can schedule a live webinar. Simple as that. Giving the title of the webinar, selecting the time zone, UTC plus minus 2. Let's allow it to be UTC. Date format, so it should be 16. Time, we can select any time we want, and then we have the options to record the live webinar. We have the options to change all the fonts of the landing page where the people will subscribe. They will add their details inside right here and will be subscribed. You can change all the title, descriptions, page content. Even you can add a short sales letter, choosing video file to upload. Oops. Right inside the platform, and then you have let's jump again because I get out. You will be able also to edit the reminder emails which are sent just from the inside of Meetvio. How cool is that? Having autoresponder integrated inside your webinar platform, you will be able to post all your reminders one day before or even after webinar emails. You can be able to do this from here, and then you create event, the title test webinar 2, and that's it. Just create event, and the event is created. Whoops. And here it is, test webinar number 2. If you click here more, you can click on the actual page of the test webinar number 2, and here you can start. Of course, you if you want to keep strict the time frame of the webinar, you should start exactly at the moment when the webinar will have to be started. If you copy this thing right here, you will see exactly how the viewers will see your webinar. You will be able to see all your attendees. You will be able to see all their chat responses. For example, let's say, hi everyone. That's right. And that's it, simple as that. You will get the recording, and then you will be able to translate this recording into AutoWebinar, because here it is, the AutoWebinar options. Most of the time you pay twice for these two separate softwares. Test AutoWebinar number 2, because I already record number 1. Here you can select video from YouTube, Vimeo, choosing file from library, or choosing webinar. So you can use existing webinar, live webinar, to incorporate into your AutoWebinar. Select the times when you want to be presented, or allow watch now. So this will allow people to watch immediately when they click on the AutoWebinar link. You should definitely keep this checked, hide replay controls. This will not allow people to skip through the content and to watch and to help them watch the entire webinar. Also, you have emails on the AutoWebinar form, and you can also do meetings with 5 presenters. You can invite the people right from here. So that's it, guys. Simple, very powerful, allowing you to have many different webinars. Now, let's check the offers, which will come live tomorrow. And if you purchase through the link, through any of the links down in the description below, you will become eligible for my mega bonus, which is MaxFunnels Lifetime free account for you if you purchase through the links down below. Here are the front-end prices, $77 for only the webinar platform, but I highly recommend you getting the Meetvio all-in-one, which is meetings, webinars, and AutoWebinars in one single place for just $20 more. So $97 for having all-in-one Meetvio. Then you have an upgrade number 197 or 97 per year, which is unlimited campaign, unlimited attendees, and unlimited bandwidth, or only $67 for unlimited attendees. If you are planning to get massive webinars like all the big names are doing, then you should consider these things, because there should be some limitations, probably not strict, but probably 100 persons or 500 persons per webinar attendees on the front end, and you will have unlimited attendees on the first upsell. Then you have built-in video editor as an upsell number 2, and done for you webinar templates, 2 templates every single month. This is the next upsell, and also you will have reseller rights for $297. You have full unlimited reseller rights. You can resell this as your own product and keeping 100% of the first month, and actually $50 per month when they change the pricing to monthly payment. So actually you have business in a box with this, but this is, nobody will tell you that this is really serious deal. So this is the deal of the year. I'm highly recommending you to get Meetvio tomorrow or next few days, because the launch week will end Friday next week, and this will be over. This is the only time you will be able to get lifetime access to such a powerful webinar platform. And in my other video, which is right here, I guess, you will have a more detailed demo, which I did a few minutes ago, and where you, if you are interested, you will find more about how this platform works and what are the plans, what are the features that are built in at the moment, and what are the features that will be available in very near future, next probably few months. So this is product in development, which will be really a massive value for the money you pay. Highly recommend getting on board next couple of days. And don't forget, if you purchase through my links, you get lifetime also on MaxFunnels. This is unbelievable, guys. And I'm giving you this because I have reseller rights for this product. And this platform will allow you to not only have powerful webinars, but also powerful sales funnels to pre-sell your audiences right before coming to your webinars. How cool is that? Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.